Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I am Saanvi Mahesh Madgaonkar and today I am going to show you all how to draw a circle in PictoBlox and also create designs out of the circle. So let us start our project. So the first block we are going to use is when green flag clicked block, which means that once I click the green flag, my project should start running. So the extension we need is pen extension, as we are drawing a circle on the stage, and to draw something we need a pen. So by clicking on the add extension option, which is there at the bottom left corner, we get here many extensions and from which we need the pen extension. So I am clicking on it and here I have the pen extension on my block palette. So the first block we are going to use from the pen extension is the erase all block, which means that all the inks of the previous project, means once I click on the green flag, whatever inks are left on the stage, it should get erased. So this is the purpose of using this block. Then we'll be using the pen up block because I want to set to a location now and I want to change the pen color and the pen size. So first let me set to a location. So we need to go to motions and I want to set to axis 0. So y is also 0. So now my sprite will set to that position. So now whenever I click the green flag and start the project, so it will set to the x is 0 and y is 0 location, as I have added this block, and now I am adding the pointing direction to 90s block. So I'll scroll down and go to the pen extension and I am selecting the set pen color block, as I want to change the color of the pen now, and I want my color to be green, okay, no, pink is better. So I'll set it to pink and then I'll set the pen size to 5. So now let us create a circle. Let us start drawing. Now we have set to a position. Then we have also set the pen color, set the pen size. So let us start drawing a circle now. For that we need to make a block. So we need to add the pen down block now because we are starting to draw. Okay, so let us go to my blocks now and make a block. So it is circle shape. So circle is the block's name and we need 2 inputs in this project to create a circle. So that the and the steps, radius and the steps. So these are the 2 inputs we need. Now let me start adding blocks under it. So the first block is from the controls. So I will be adding the if then else block under the define circle block. Now I'll go to operators and select the equal to block. So the equal to operator, and in the first white space of the equal to operator, I am adding the steps input. So the value will be 0. So steps is 0, equal to 0. Now if the steps is equal to 0, then else what will happen is pen up and then pen down. Then move steps in between of pen up and pen down and move steps radius, means it should move the steps whatever we add the value in the radius input. So it is on the block. Now we need one more move steps block and we need the operator block also. So minus operator block. Now the first white space I'll be typing the 0 and step this radius. Yes, 0 minus radius steps. So now always a circle has a 1 degree, turn of 1 degree. So we'll be adding the turn 1 degree. So always the circle will have 1 degree only. So then we'll be adding the circle block under it, the same block. So in the first white space, I am placing the radius input, and in the second I am placing the steps, but in the minus operator, and steps minus 1. So this is the circle script and it is ready. So now let us click on the green flag and run the project. Now my circle is not created on the screen. Why so? Because I have not connected this circle script to the main script, which is under the when green flag clicked block. So I have to add the circle block here. This is the radius. So if I want the radius as 50 and I want this to be 360, the circle should be 360. Okay, now it takes a long time. So what I'll do is I'll just edit. So then run without screen refresh, and now let us play it. Yes, so this is a filled circle, and if you all don't want a filled circle, you all want a circle with outline, only outline, then you have to place the pen up block under the pen down. So yes, this is the outline circle. So if you do want outline and you all want fill, so you have to not place the pen up block, and it should be this. Yes. Now let us create a design, a very beautiful design out of this circle. So now you all will be thinking that this is a circle and why I have added 360 only. Instead of this, I can also add 180. Let's check. So if I add 180, it becomes a half circle. So if you want this half circle to be up, then you have to change the direction. So I want a full circle. So for that, I should add the value as 360. So it's a full circle. Now I'll place the circle blocks here. So I'll place them. So 360, I'll add the value as 360 in all the second inputs. 360, 360, 360, 360, 360, 360, 360. Now I'll decrease the value in the first input. What I'll do is I'll go on decreasing the value, means 100, and I'll do it as 90, then I'll do it as 80. So like this I'll decrease the value till the value comes to 10. So 70, 60, 50, 40, 30. So 2 more blocks we need here. So here I'm taking 2 more blocks. 20, 10, 360. So this is done. Yes. Now we need to add the change pen color by 10 block under each of the circle blocks, so that the color of the pen changes. So add it here. I'll add it under this also. So everywhere, under all the circle blocks. Done. So here let me run the project. Wow, this is a very beautiful design. So I've got a very beautiful design here. So this is our first design. So this is very good. And now let me show you all another design. So I'll just place this script at the side here, and I'll create a block as design 1. So I don't want any inputs here. So design 1. This is the circle. I'll place it nicely. Okay. So once I did design 1 block under it, this design will be created. So that's why I've created the design 1 block. Now is the design 2. But for this we'll be not creating any block. Okay. For this we'll be not creating any block. Instead, so we will add a change pen color by 10 block here, and we'll start the project. Yes, this is a very beautiful design. So let me full screen. Yes, so this is why because I have added the block change pen color by 10. So this is another beautiful design. Today we have explored 2 designs and how to create a filled circle and also a circle with only outline. So hope you like today's video. Like the video and subscribe the channel and do comment this video. Thank you.